Hello friends, welcome to TechBrood channel. In this video, let's see about 3 awesome earbuds. In that first earbud is Realme Bud Q. It usually comes with an yellow box of Realme with a case of earbuds and one USB cable with 2 extra earbuds. And some specifications are given in this earbuds. If we come to the structure of these earbuds, it's similar to the earbuds of Redmi, which is Redmi Buds S. Even let's see the review of that buds in this video. If we come to the color, it comes with 2 unique colors, that is quite yellow and quite white. Its weight is just 35 grams, which is very easy to carry in our pockets. And the shape of it is quite unique, which is oval in shape, which is easy to carry. If we compare to Redmi, the weight is less than that. Battery seems to be nice, with 20 hours with case and 4 hours without case. It comes with an 40 mAh battery which long lasts up to 20 hours with case and 4 hours without case. Seems to be nice. Its price is 1999 and I think this is the best earbuds in this segment.
The second one is Apple AirPods. These are wireless pods with white color case and pods. Okay, let's see what's there in the box. The box includes some of the specifications and the Apple AirPods in the case and a charging cable to charge it and a small button to connect, and the battery long lasts 4 hours. And this is built with Apple W1 chip. If we come to pairing of the devices, the pairing is so quick and too good. These Apple AirPods are very useful and portable for iPhones and those phones which does not have a headphone jack in it. These AirPods are very useful and very compact to carry, and its price is 14,900 rupees in India. The third one is MI Earbuds S. Redmi has given a matte black finish for this. At the bottom of the case there are some specifications of this. And at the middle of the case there is a reflective branding of Redmi. At the back side of the box they have given a micro USB port to charge the earbuds. If we come to earbuds, the earbuds are so small and so compact to adjust in our ears. And it includes extra pair of buds in the box. And here the individual weight of a earbud is just 4.1 grams. And Redmi has said that there is a noise reduction intelligence in it. The battery is 300 mAh battery. And Redmi has said it long lasts about 4 hours. With charging in case, it long lasts till 12 hours. And its price is 1799 in India. This is a good and compact earbuds at this segment.